Nandito na.
Mommy, give me the red wire.
Mag-ano na ako. I'm going to wash my car. Make sure I close all the window.
Mommy, when the antenna, please.
Hold on, baby. Car neutral. Neutral condition. So, neutral ko na siya. Alright.
The bottom, please.
Hold on, baby. Explain na ako. Yung may plan kasi kami dito. May mga pinabayaran. With shiny na siya. Advantage din sa amin dahil malapit lang doon sa bahay. Mga 3 minutes drive lang eh. Kaya maganda na rin nag-plan magkakamura. Right, Casey? Like, we're paying for like, they have a promo of like $21 for first month. Kahit araw-araw ka pa ilang beses sa isang araw ka magpapalinis, pwede yun. Then, the next month, ang bayad mo is $35 now. So, yun talaga ginagawa ko lalo na pag summer. Nang dahil malikap dito sa sakyan. Ayan. And then after, pero around mga winter, kasi may time na ulan, i-stop ko muna siya, i-review ko na naman siya ulit after na ng winter. Yan, alright. Tapos na. So it's done. So my car is clean now. Is it clean now, Casey?
Yes.
Alright, feels good. And now we're done here. So dito naman, dito ka mag vacuum para naman sa lobo nga. So no more dirty na, is clean, or we have to go back one more time. Alright, thank you. So malinis na yung sasakyan ko. I can go now. And then Casey wants icy. Let's go get your icy, baby.
Yes.
We go get icy for my girl. She deserves to have icy.